talking about that money. Hey. Woo. Hey. Good morning, everybody. This is Financial Literacy 101, and today we'll be talking about Newegg. Newegg is one of those stocks I should have talked about a long time before, because I've been on Newegg for a very long time. As you can tell, I have computers everywhere. I have 3 computers in this particular room. Now, most of them are laptops, but I remember back in the early 2000s where I used to build my own PCs when I was working for the United States Department of Agriculture, and I got into hardware and software, and Newegg was one of those viable companies that I should have been investing in since they came public. I remember they came out around like $1 or $2 per share, and now Newegg is already up to almost $28 a share, and they are projected anywhere to the mid $45 to $50 per share. Unbelievable. Let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning once again. And we're gonna get into this review, and we're gonna tell why Newegg might be a great potential stock to add into your 4 to 6 portfolio, stocks that you may be revolving, stocks that you may be swing trading, stocks that you may be even day trading, or stocks you just want to hold and keep, because Newegg is not going anywhere for a very long time. Now, when I think about Newegg, and we're going to get into this, ladies and gentlemen, when I think about Newegg and I see that the value that Newegg absolutely have, as we can tell, over the past 5 years, Newegg has been up to 1,500%. 1,500% in the past 5 years. The past year, 4,000%, which is great, absolutely phenomenal. It's almost had me speechless over here. The past 3 months, 234%. The past month, almost 170%. The past week, 155%. And today, Newegg is already up 42%. That's if you love rounding up like I do. Nonetheless, if you guys are not familiar with Newegg, let's read about it. It says Newegg Commerce is an e-commerce company. It offers direct sales and online marketplace platform for IT computer components, consumer electronics, entertainment, smart home, and gaming products. The firm also provides third-party logistics service globally. The company is headquartered in the city of Industrial, California. Now, the ticker for this one is NEGG. Okay, NEGG. The CEO is Anthony Chow, around 1,800 employees there in California. The PEA ratio is 55.78. All right, and the industry is daily movers, healthcare supplies. I don't understand why it has healthcare supplies, but this is a computer building company. Let's read a little bit more about Newegg if you guys did not understand Newegg. Now, here's their website. And back in the early 2000s, when I used to build computers myself, this is one of my favorite places to go. They have all sorts of computer components. You can build a computer from scratch. You can get a tower, you can get a bed, you can get cooling fans, you can get hard drives, CPUs, graphic cards, internal cables, you name it, they have it. They have AMD motherboards, Intel motherboards. And the reason why all of this information is important to your investment, so you understand what the company is built of, you understand what company you're building and what do they sell, what are their services, and what are their products. As you can tell, if you want to get into refurbished items, they have that as well. Now, for you guys who don't know anything about Newegg, they started back off in 2001. And it says here, for 2 decades, Newegg's been at the forefront of e-commerce. Founded in 2001, Newegg began selling PC components and helped popularize PC building movement. And believe me, I was part of this movement, and in doing so, developed a cut following one PC and DIY enthusiasts. Now, unfortunately, sometimes my videos, the lag in it, I can't do nothing about the internet, but I know how to build a computer. I think I know how to build a computer, but that's neither here nor there. Let's get into the money. Now, CNN Business have Newegg projected, because currently they're under $28 per share. They're around $27.75, $27.25. Now Newegg's projected for a medium and a high price of $45. I want to say the median is $44, but the high estimate for Newegg is around $50 per share. As we're moving right along, we're talking about Fintel, and we're looking at a projected price over the course of the year. If you look to your far right, ladies and gentlemen, it started off around $3 in the early part of the year, but now, ladies and gentlemen, we're over to $27, almost $28 per share. Now, it is a type of stock that you might want to do swing trades on, or a stock that you want to buy and hold. Again, swing traders and buy and hold, this is probably a great stock for you. Swing traders and buy and hold, this is probably a great stock for you, nonetheless. Now, when we're talking about, we go over to Yahoo Finance and we're looking at the competitors. We see we got Obersat, we have Bridgeline Digital, we have Martin Software Incorporated, but none of these compare to Newegg for the short term, long term, and also the midterm. We have this stock going up, 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 and up. Now, they don't have any investors really giving any evaluation if this is a fair value, if it's overbought, underbought, oversold, undersold. So we're still trying to figure out those things when we talk about the analysis of this particular stock. Now, going over to Market Watch, as we can tell, we have a clear depiction. We have a clear picture of 5-day, 1 month, 3 month, year to date as far as 1 year. Year to date, this stock is up 555%. Where in the past year, we're well over 400%. So this is very important to your purse. This is very important to your wallet, and you guys should be getting on Newegg. If you're looking for that 5th or 6th stock you want to put inside of your portfolio. Now, people may also be buying option trades in this, and let me put out a disclaimer, because I know a lot of people in the comment section, when I'm talking fervently about a particular stock, people are like, oh, well, you only bought 1 share, you only bought 2 shares. Listen, I can't buy 100 to 1,000 shares per all these stock reviews that I give you guys. I don't have that type of money. Let's just be real about it. If I had that type of money, then I will buy 1,000 shares right in front of you. But I had to slow down because guess what? I got a house to run. I got a job. I got this. I got that. So, hey, listen, those are just my personal issues. But don't think that the information I give you, I'm going to go ahead and buy all of these shares. But believe me, more times than not, I come out giving you stocks that you may want to look at or invest in. Sometimes I tell you, don't invest in these stocks because I just believe it won't be a good investment. We either be for the short term or the long term. This is Financial Literacy 101. Learn money and be inspired, and stop thinking I'm gonna buy all these damn stocks that I'm giving you reviews on. That is simply just stupid.